Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of constant hopping from one trading strategy to another, can't handle the discretionary trading, then check out this very simple rule-based strategy that involves only 3 steps. The strategy is called BBMA and it needs 3 time frames in this strategy. So if you see a setup on H1, your time frame is H1, time frame 2 is 15 minutes and time frame 3 is 5 minutes. Similarly, if you see a setup on H4, time frame 1 is H4, time frame 2 is H1, and time frame 3 is 15 minutes. First, these are the components of the system. There are 3 Bollinger Bands, top BB, middle BB, and low BB. Moving average is high, 5 and 10. Moving average is low, 5 and 10, and EMA 50. So first step or first time frame is called re-entry. Re-entry is a place where we look to find the setups. Setups mainly involve CSM, CSAK, and different types of CSA. CSM is when the price closes beyond top BB or low BB. CSAK is when the price closes beyond middle BB and both moving averages. CSA is when the price closes beyond moving averages without the middle BB, or after CSM, or CSAK. Now second step. Go to second time frame, look at what type of extreme is happening. Extreme A is when MA5 gets outside of top BB or low BB. Extreme A is when a candle gets rejected by top BB or low BB. Advanced extreme is when a candle gets rejected by EMA 50. Magic extreme is when both MA5 and 10 get outside of top BB or low BB. Now, since time frame 1 is re-entry, it is R. Time frame 2 is extreme, E. And for time frame 3, if you see extreme, then CSAK as confirmation, you call this trade or EE. Now here's MOV. MOV is just this little move that means price is struggling to continue and ready to reverse. So similarly, time frame 1 is re-entry, so R. Time frame 2 is extreme, so E. And then if you see this MOV and then CSAK as confirmation on time frame 3, and then that trade is REM. And now let's see the real examples. So the setup is on time frame 1. So time frame 1 is 1 hour, time frame 2 is 15 minutes, and time frame 3 is 5 minutes. And then on time frame 1, we can see that there is a CSAK to the downside. So we try to look for sell setups on MA high, 5 and 10. And when this price tap those areas, we check out the time frame 2. So on time frame 2, we see what type of extreme is forming. So here is extreme B and advanced extreme are forming. And then I personally wait for that candle to close. And then let's go to time frame 3, 5 minutes. And then on time frame 3, we can see that there is an extreme forming. And then for confirmation, I personally wait for the CSAK. And then after CSAK, I just take the sell stop order. So time frame 1 is re-entry, time frame 2 is extreme, and then time frame 3 is extreme. So it's REE. So let's check out another example. So similarly, the setup is on time frame. The setup is on H1. So time frame 1 is H1, time frame 2 is 15 minutes, and time frame 3 is 5 minutes. So on time frame 1, we can see that there is a CSM to the downside. So we will try to look for the sell setups on MA high, 5 and 10. And then on time frame 2, 15 minutes, there is extreme B and advanced extreme is forming. And after that candle closes, we go on to time frame 3, which is 5 minutes, and then see what type of extreme or MLV is forming. So we can see there is an extreme A. And then after extreme A, this is what I was talking about. This is the MLV. So MLV just means this is a little move that shows that price is struggling to continue. So you can see that there is no candle closure beyond the top BB. And then it struggle to continue and go opposite. And then we got the CSAK. And then after CSAK, you can put a stop order. And that's how this Time frame 1 is reentry, time frame 2 is extreme, and then time frame 3 is MLV. So we got this REM trade. So these are some of the results from my own testing. And this is what it looks like if you just take each and every trade without any refinement or any filtering out low probability trades. And as you can see, it's not looking good. And then if you filter out low probability trades based on session timings, news, and just generally bad setups, this is what it looks like. And I think it's a lot better. And this is what it looks like after using a trade management rule based on my own testing. And as you can see, I think it's a lot more consistent than just taking every trade. There might be some wins missing in some of the weeks, but I think overall it's become a lot more consistent system. And I'll make a whole video about these refinements in the future. So now this concludes my simple rule-based 3-step strategy. Thank you very much for watching.